Inside a massive oil refinery, something unusual is happening. Thick black crude oil enters through giant steel pipes. Heavy, dark, sticky. But moments later, something completely different appears. Clear fuel, light, clean, powerful. From the same liquid, this transformation powers millions of vehicles every day. Fuel that moves cities. Fuel that drives the world. But crude oil does not start this way. Deep underground, it is raw, a mixture of many different substances. So how does this black liquid become fuel? To understand this process, we must go back to the beginning. The crude oil has arrived, but it cannot be used yet. First, it must be heated. Inside the refinery, the oil enters a furnace. The temperature rises, higher and higher, up to extreme levels. The thick liquid begins to change. It starts to separate. Different parts of the oil react differently to heat. Some turn into gas, some remain liquid. Now the heated oil moves into a tall structure, a distillation tower. Inside this tower, the real process begins. The oil is no longer one substance. It starts to divide, based on temperature, based on weight, each part rising to a different level. This is how separation begins. Inside the tower, separation is complete. Now each part of the oil has its own place. At the top, the lightest gases collect. Below that, gasoline forms. Further down, diesel appears. And at the bottom, heavy oil remains. Each layer is different. Each has its own use. Pipes connected at different heights begin to collect these fuels. Gasoline is taken from one level, diesel from another, heavy oils from the lowest section. But the process is not finished yet. Some parts are still too heavy, too thick to use, so they must be refined further, broken down, transformed again into lighter fuels. Some parts of the oil are still too heavy, too thick to become fuel, so the refinery uses another process. Cracking. Inside special units, heavy oil is broken down. Heat and pressure increase again. Molecules begin to split. Large chains become smaller ones. This changes everything. Heavy oil turns into lighter fuels. More gasoline, more diesel, more usable energy. This step is powerful. It transforms what was once useless into valuable fuel. Now, almost every part of crude oil has been converted. But one final step remains: cleaning the fuel, making it ready for use. The fuel is almost ready, but it is not clean yet. Impurities still remain. Sulfur, unwanted particles. These must be removed, so the fuel enters another process. Cleaning. Inside special units, chemicals are used. Hydrogen is added. This process removes impurities, making the fuel cleaner, safer, more efficient. Now the transformation is complete. From thick black crude oil to clean, usable fuel. Gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, all ready to power the world. From deep underground to engines everywhere. This is how fuel is made from oil.